Hello from me, Lazar Christov. Welcome to the next lesson of the course on Introduction to Lazarus IDE. As you know, I am the author of 2 books about Lazarus IDE. This is the first, Introduction to Lazarus IDE, and the second, Introduction to Lazarus IDE Part 2. I'm currently working on my second book, Introduction to Lazarus IDE Part 2. And here are the free chapters from it. We are looking at them right now, having reached Chapter 5, Useful Constructs and Elements in Lazarus IDE. And now we've reached Point 3, Errors or Exceptions. And let's open the PDF file. Here's Section 5.3, Constructs for Handling. Errors or Exceptions. Error or exception handling is an important aspect of software development, as it allows a program to handle unexpected events during its execution, and to prevent a system crash. It is precisely that such events are called exceptions, as a programming term. In Object Pascal and in Lazarus IDE, handling of errors or exceptions is achieved through the constructs try, except, end and try, finally, end. Let's take a closer look at the first of these. The try, except, end construct. This is a construct that is used to handle errors that may occur in the try block at time of program execution. So what this means is that we have code that is enclosed in this try except end block. This also means that if in this block in its first part any error or exception occurs, the program will execute the code in except and the program will avoid crashing. The syntax is as follows. Here it is, I have shown schematically, put try first and then put the problematic code where the error can occur. It's put here between try and except, and then if this error occurs, or exception, or any error, it's handled here, in this part after except, and the block ends with end. This is, in short, how it works. Let's show an example. One of the classic examples will show of the use of the try, except, end construct. This is when trying to convert a string to a number, which is not possible and will give an error, if the string is not a valid number. Here's what this code actually is. As we said, this is a procedure when a button is pressed. Here we have a variable number of type integer, whole number. And here's what we put in the block between try and except in this part, the risky code. That is, we convert this variable number with the function structures, string to integer. And here's what we're saying here, if something isn't right in the except block, between except and end, we're saying that this is a type of exception, which indicates that something is an error has occurred and will display the following message, that an error has occurred, and this is automatically generated by the system. What is this error? That concludes this lesson, and in the next one we'll look at the second construction and then we'll do one larger general example for both. That's all from me. Best regards.